Here's how to install a toilet in 60 seconds.
What?
First, get your flange and attach it to your floor using screws or concrete anchors like I've got. Make sure you get the right type of flange. There are different types for connecting to cast iron, such as the one here, or going into PVC. So make sure you secure that properly. Next, install the T-bolts. These will secure the toilet to the flange. And then install the wax ring. This will give you a watertight seal between the toilet and the floor. And then install the toilet over the flange, pressing down firmly to give a nice watertight seal, and secure with washers and nuts. This is a good time to hook up the water supply. Make sure it's off, of course, to begin with. And then it's time to install the water tank. Secure this also with nuts and the washers, being careful not to crack the porcelain by over-tightening. Then secure the water line to the back of the tank. Lastly, install the toilet seat.
Turn the water valve back on to a test flush, and it's all ready to go.